Meaning of Hyde Park.
Hyde Park.
Hyde Park.
Hyde Park.
Hyde Park. Hyde Park is a large public park in London, UK. It covers an area of around 350 acres and is one of the Royal Parks of London. The park has a rich history, dating back to the 16th century when it was used as a hunting ground for Henry VIII. In modern times, it has become a popular recreational space for Londoners and tourists alike. Hyde Park is famous for its Speaker's Corner, where people can freely express their opinions on any subject, as well as its beautiful gardens, monuments, and sports facilities.